What's up guys? Welcome back again to my TechTube channel, and for today's video, we will be unboxing the newest additional smart gadget dito sa aking semi-smart room. So ano pa bang hinihintay natin? Tara na! So guys, this is the diffuser. In here is the power button, the mist, the light control button, and when you open the lid, this is where you will put the water and the essential oil. And guys, for the setup on how to connect it to your Google Home or Alexa and to your Wi-Fi is very easy. Just download the Lasco app. And if you are a first timer, you need to register or create an account. After creating an account guys, tap the plus icon, click small home appliances, then choose diffuser. Just make sure you are connected to your 2.4 Wi-Fi. And take note guys, after plugging the diffuser, make sure the diffuser is blinking rapidly, and then after that, confirm light blinking rapidly on the app, then connect it to your local Wi-Fi. You can now go to your Google Home app. It will be automatically synced to your Lasco app. But if you are new, you need to connect the Lasco app to your Google Home. And that's it guys, you can now control it via app or via voice command if you are Alexa or Google Home. Hey Google, turn on the diffuser.
Okay, turning the diffuser on.
Hey Google, turn the diffuser to red.
Alright, changing the diffuser to red.
Hey Google, turn the diffuser to blue.
Sure, changing the diffuser to blue.
Hey Google, turn off the diffuser.
Okay, turning the diffuser off.
And for the app control guide guys, just open the Lasco app, click the diffuser. The first tab is where it's on and off. The second tab is the mist. It has two options, weak and strong, and you can also see the spray timer. And for the third tab guys, you can see three modes: gradient, fixed, and night light. And lastly guys, the schedule tab, in which you can schedule your smart diffuser to your preferred setting. And that's pretty much it guys, so easy. I've been using Lasco products for 5 months now, and they are all still working. If you want to know what Lasco products I own, just browse my videos, or I will link it down below the description box. Overall guys, if you are into smart automation, Lasco products are the best for beginners just like me. And take note guys that their products is way cheaper than the other brands. So guys, if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you on the next one.